CoConstruct is an incredible tool for project cost control, helping you save money on jobs without sacrificing quality or efficiency. Stick around till the end to discover some powerful tips that will help you take full advantage of the software and keep your construction projects within budget. Now, what if I told you there's a way to stay ahead of the financial curve in construction with real-time insights and tools designed to help you cut costs effectively? You can use CoConstruct completely free through the link below, plus you'll get exclusive bonuses. That means you can try out everything without the risk. Let's get into the first thing you can do to save money with CoConstruct: budget management. The software lets you create, track, and update your project budget easily, and it's all in one place. With its robust features, you can set realistic budgets and monitor your expenses in real time. If a budget deviation happens, CoConstruct will alert you instantly, allowing you to take action before it gets out of hand. This proactive approach will keep you from going over budget and help you stay on track throughout the project. Next thing, customized cost tracking. CoConstruct offers detailed cost tracking and reporting tools. You can categorize costs according to different job areas like materials, labor, and overhead, making it easier to see exactly where your money is going. By breaking things down into categories, you can spot inefficiencies or areas where you can cut back and allocate funds more effectively. This insight is key to reducing unnecessary spending. The third thing CoConstruct does to help save money on jobs is through change order management. In construction, changes are inevitable, but that doesn't mean they should lead to cost overruns. CoConstruct enables you to track and manage change orders, ensuring they're priced accurately and properly documented. The software streamlines this process, reducing delays and preventing costly miscommunication. The fourth thing, real-time communication. One of the biggest causes of cost overruns in construction is poor communication between teams. With CoConstruct, everyone on the project is on the same page. You can easily communicate with contractors, suppliers, and clients, ensuring everyone knows the status of the job and what's expected. Clear communication helps avoid costly mistakes, and when issues arise, you can resolve them quickly. Finally, CoConstruct simplifies client management. By keeping your clients in the loop, you ensure they're informed and involved every step of the way. You can show them accurate, up-to-date cost projections, keeping them happy and avoiding misunderstandings that can lead to disputes and delays. Keeping clients satisfied and involved reduces the likelihood of surprises, ensuring you stay within budget. CoConstruct for project cost control is a game changer when it comes to saving money on jobs. And remember, you can try the software completely free with our exclusive bonus. Check the first link below for that. So, if you want to keep your projects profitable, you don't want to miss out on CoConstruct. Try it out today and take full control of your project costs.